In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 really useful phrases that you can use in the run-up to Christmas. Let's get started. Our first phrase, I am looking forward to Christmas. Tá mé ag tunú leis an nullig. Tá mé ag tunú leis an nullig. I am looking forward to Christmas. Our next phrase, Bhí na maisiúcháin nullig thuas go luath. The Christmas decorations were up early. Bhí na maisiúcháin nullig thuas go luath. Next, níl ach cupola seachtain go nullig. There's only a couple of weeks to Christmas. Níl ach cupola seachtain go nullig. Tá sé ag tarraingt ar an nullig. Christmas is drawing closer. Tá sé ag tarraingt ar an nullig. Next is the way to say Happy Christmas, and that is nullig honna. Nullig honna. Happy Christmas. But if you wanted to say have a good Christmas, you could say this. Bíodh nullig va a guibh. Bíodh nullig va a guibh. So that means have a good Christmas if you're speaking to many people, so a group of people. If you wanted to refer just to one person, you would say this. Bíodh nullig va a gut. Bíodh nullig va a gut. So we just changed the preposition there on the end. A guibh to many people, a gut if you're referring to one person. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll be back very soon. Slán go fóill.